The workshop walls have finally been cleared, and they're ready for some paint. I'm going with a matte black, and I know it looks green on camera. It gets 2 coats, and then I need to do the other side, but I think I'll run out of paint. It's the next day, and that paint looks really nice. Well, I've painted this side, it's had 2 coats. Did I have enough paint? No. And I just know that these walls are going to look amazing once the woodworking tools are up there.